guys, welcome back to the channel. It has been a crazy day. We got in from Newark this morning at like 9 a.m. We headed to our resort. We checked in, we went to Animal Kingdom, and now we are on our way to EPCOT. So there's actually no festival going on today. So this is probably going to be a short day. We might go tomorrow as well, but let's see what we can get done today. Alright, we're here at EPCOT. Lucia has wanted to do Spaceship Earth.
Mommy!
So we're headed here. Luckily enough, we got a lightning lane.
Mommy, I like this ride!
Feels like it's going to start raining, and you know who left their rain gear at the hotel. Alright, it is 4:30. So, yeah, Spaceship Earth, it broke down for like quite a while we were on it. So that was kind of annoying because that's happened like the last 2 or 3 times that we've been on there. And then you know how like it scans your face? Like the last 2 or 3 times when we get to the end of the ride, we don't even have like an interactive thing. So, anyway, I just picked up my pass holder magnet. So excited about that. It's like one of the reasons why I had to come in June so I could get it. And what else? Oh, and they were so sweet because Lucia is like all about her magic band now, and she was trying to like scan it, and the guy was like, "Oh, is she a pass holder?" And I was like, "Oh no, whatever." And then he like was like, here, you could take hers or whatever. So he gave us like 2. I'm like, oh, that was so nice. So there we go. We got a little bit of pixie dust today. So yeah, I think we might go check out and see if the Pandora section is over here, and then maybe we'll go to Mexico, get myself like a margarita or something. All right. They have an ofrenda. That's where they put pictures of their relatives that have died.
Why is the doggy here?
I have to say, like, when there's not a festival going on, when I were here in June, it looks so sad. Like, look at how sad this looks compared to when you're here at a festival. It looks so sad. Okay, go that way. Okay. My daughter knows her way around EPCOT. She knows exactly where she's going. She knows where Figment is. Woman on a mission. Crazy girl. Alright, we came to the playground. We did Figment, and we were gonna wait in line for Frozen, but by the time we went over there, it was like an hour. I regret not going sooner because earlier it was like 35 minutes, and even Ratatouille was, but I haven't been able to secure a lightning lane for either one of those, so it's kind of like you just don't know. Lucia just broke her lollipop. It's okay, it's still intact. There's still a portion that's intact. Here, give me the lollipop. Let's eat that at the hotel, okay? So you don't break it, okay. This happens every time. And you know, if you watched my haul from our March trip, I bought like that lollipop saver. I forgot it at home. You know what else I forgot today? I forgot my battery charger. I forgot Lucia's cortisone cream. This morning we couldn't find the stroller cover. I don't know what happened to that. We're kind of like wondering if my father-in-law actually brought it back to El Salvador with him for some reason, because we are at a loss. It's been at the bottom of our stroller since March, so I'm not sure where that went. Anyway, so we arrived at Figment. it's just, I guess, you know, I'm like tiring out. I went to bed at like 11 last night. I woke up at 3, I think 3:30. 3:30. I don't remember at this point. Point is, it was early and I'm tired, so I'm kind of like winding down. Lucia wanted to play in the playground. I feel bad because in March I kept promising her that we were gonna do it, and we never did it. So I'm like, all right, let me go get mom go get a beer. Cheers. I got this La Fin du Monde from Canada. Always a crowd pleaser. It's very good. It's 9%. I didn't realize that. The guy in line behind me was like, oh my gosh, that's such a great choice. I get this home locally. And I'm like, oh really? Yeah, like I always get it when I come to Canada, because I know Lucy always wants the caramel popcorn refill. And then he's like, oh, it's 9% alcohol. And I'm like, what? I didn't realize that. So sure enough, if you're on the Untapped app on your phone, it's like for checking in beers and all that. I always try to check in my beers, because we're in like competition between my dad, my brother-in-law, my sisters, and all that. So we check in like beers that you have, and then at the end of like the year, it tells you like what kind of beer that you drank the most and all that. But anyway, beside the point. I didn't know. It's 9%. It's crazy. But yeah, usually I only just get this in Canada. It's pretty good. It's very smooth. It doesn't feel strong at all. But you know what else I got? I see you. I got the EPCOT popcorn bucket. Oh my god, Jose is gonna kill me. I'm getting like way too many popcorn buckets, but I had to get this one, of course. I mean, come on. I had to get it. I'm gonna have to, I don't know, every popcorn bucket I have, except for like, I sold one of them, which was the Nightmare Before Christmas one. I sold that last year. I'm keeping. I like them. I think they're cute. Whatever. It's my small vice popcorn buckets. Can you blame me? Lucia is here. Lucia, what did you get? A pop? Hey. You got a lollipop? She's got lollipop all over her face. And she's playing. I'm just gonna let her like play a little bit, and then she wanted to go swimming at the hotel. Now, because we were staying at Beach Club, the pool is still closed. So I believe that you could go in the quiet pools. I don't know how this is gonna roll, but I'm like, you know what, it's our first arrival day. We are only gonna be here for 4 days, and then we're gonna end up doing pool day on the day we leave at Pop Century. So tomorrow we're switching hotels. We're gonna go to Pop Century. But yeah, I guess because we were just here in March, like the more times you come, you don't feel like the need, like, okay, we gotta get everything done. And I really need to measure Lucia, because I know she's like right there, and in March she was like just right there, and I think she still is. I try to measure her at home, and I think she's still like not quite at 40 inches. But I thought, like, because there's no one in the oh my gosh, Soarin'. I have yet to ever ride Soarin'. Can you believe that? All the times I come. It's a 40-inch height requirement. I kind of thought like maybe I should go over there and like measure her, because it's like not so crazy, and I don't know, like it seems like an easy ride. It's not like Tiana, like Splash Mountain. It's, you know, I'm like, I don't know, she should be able to do it, but I don't know. We might come back tomorrow. I gotta look. I know we have, tomorrow's our Hollywood Studio Day, but I need to see when I secure my lightning lanes. I kind of forgot what I did already, so I need to do that. And see, because maybe if it's in the afternoon, then maybe we'll try to like do rope drop and come do Frozen and Ratatouille, because the line was just too long. I'm like, I'm not dealing with this. But it has gotten a lot, like, even though it's still humid, it's gotten a lot cooler than earlier, maybe because the sun went down. So anyway, let me carry on. Alright guys, I just can't take it anymore. I gotta go to bed. Jose was like, he was texting me like, you guys are not even going to fireworks? And I'm like, I know. I don't know, I don't feel tired, but I just feel like blah. I don't know. So I was like, you know what, we just came in, like ate some food in the room, and I just took a quick shower, and yeah, we're just gonna get ready for a day for tomorrow. So yeah, I don't know if you made it this far in the video.
I made the
Yes.
clothes on.
Okay. If you made it this far in the video and you're not already friends, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Share a lot of Disney fun travel vlogs, room tours, Disney trips and tips and tricks, all the things. So give this video a like. It really does help to support the channel, and we'll see you in the next one or at Disney. Thanks for watching. Bye.
I've been all around the world, every city, every place.